Hello, primary. Welcome to our assembly for Friday, September 18th. Can you guess where I am? If you've guessed underneath thatch by the library, you're absolutely right. It's such a beautiful day, and because school is opening on Monday and Tuesday, I thought it was the perfect place to do this week's video. I know some of you won't be coming back next week, and that's okay. You'll come back when your parents feel that it's okay for you to do so. In the meantime, those of you who are coming back, your teachers, EAs, and I are all looking forward to seeing you soon. Things will be a little bit different than perhaps what you remember, and I hope you've had a chance to view the video that was shared with you by your teachers yesterday, showing how you're going to arrive, what you need to do in your class, where you need to go for dismissal, and just some of the expectations. It's all going to be fine, and we'll get used to it. The most important thing is that you're safe and you keep safe. You wear a mask, you sanitize your hands so that we're all going to be healthy. The assembly this week, we have birthdays, we have a few students to welcome, and we have some presentations of learning that have taken place this week. And now, on for the assembly. This week we have two students to welcome. Joining EY3 is Ethan, who comes from Namibia. And joining 3G, Ivy is from Kenya. We welcome you both, hope that you are settling well at WIS, and we're looking forward to meeting you in person next week. Let's give them a warm welcome. 1, 2, 3, whoosh!
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Et vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Salut, je m'appelle Palana. J'ai 10 ans. J'habite à Windhoek. J'aime l'heureux et chocolat. J'adore les familles.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Faiza, j'ai 10 ans. Je suis namibien. Ma couleur préférée, la bleue. J'aime la crêpe et gymnastiques et français. Je déteste banane. Je n'aime pas virus. Au revoir.
Salut.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Our assembly for this week. We will probably continue having assemblies remotely for a while, so I'll see you next week.